Hello. So it's day 3. Everything is still a mess, which I hate. But I'm getting some stuff done today. As of yesterday, everything was sheetrocked. I'm gonna put sheetrock on the outside. I think I mentioned that. But you go inside, and I sanded all the spackle down this morning and got covered in dust. Water softener's covered. I already swept that down. It's a mess. I just put first coat of paint on the ceiling. It looked like half of it was primed before. Let me see that line. Half was primed before, half wasn't. So that's gonna take some more. I'm gonna run up on the ladder and hit the edges with a brush just to get close. This sucks. I do not like painting the ceiling, and that fly is still dead, so I don't have to worry about it coming back. But let's see how the painting goes. Drywall is sanded, ceiling is painted. It needs a second. Actually, I did 2 coats over here and 2 coats over here, but this was only was brown like the walls. So I gotta buy another gallon of ceiling paint. I think 1 more coat, maybe 2 here and 1 here will finish that. And I started putting paint on the wall just to see how it looked. I don't know. It's gonna be kind of dark in here, but that's okay. There's gonna be lots of light too. So it's pretty close to that color. And now my phone is ringing. Let's see who's calling. It's gonna pop up on my screen. Alright. The painting is done. I don't like it, but I'm not redoing it. So it's hard to even tell. It's really dark. I can tell what color it is. There we go. It's like a gray. There's not much light up top. I'm getting a ceiling fan to put it up here, so then I'll have some more light, but it kind of feels like a cave a little bit, but whatever. Shelf is next. So I got my shelf done, which I'm very excited about. It's so hard to see in here. I'm very excited about because I have all this stuff out here that needs to be put away. So I had to frame that a little different because I made it deeper than the other one, but it's pretty strong. I wouldn't go up there myself. I can lay in it, but I think it'll be good for all my lighting stuff. I was thinking about putting maybe some LEDs up top, shine into the ceiling. And I also need to finish, I do need to do another coat on that ceiling, but it came out okay. Finally done for today. I set everything back up because I need to use my office. Electrician should be coming out to do this stuff. I got some of this stuff hung up here. I need to do trim around here. The electrician should be putting recessed lights in here. This is the floor I was gonna use. I don't think I like it. I think it's too much gray, so I might go out and get some brown flooring. But it's getting there. Long day, but all my stuff fits up here. And I got more room up here, so it's good. Also, this one has come to visit me. That's not my cat. Psst. Psst. She doesn't listen. I brought her some food. But she just comes in here and scratches up my flooring for the gym. But whatever. Okay, thanks.